Yes, this is our client, Mr. Shoaib. We have installed 20 kilowatt of inverter in his home and panel consisting around 14 point something kilowatt. So right now it's 12:37. It's producing 8.57 kilowatt. Out of that, 2.9 kilowatt is taking by home and 5.9 kilowatt is exporting to grid. If we go to today's statics, total we get the maximum around 9 kilowatt of power, and right now they have produces 37 kilowatt hour units, out of which 28 units has been exported. So if we go to yesterday's statics, it is producing 72 kilowatt hour, 72 units of electricity. That is, I think it's good because 1 kilowatt is producing 4.24 kilowatt units, 4.24 kilowatt hour units in a day. So if we are making out of 14 kilowatts, so it's giving a very good values. And if we go towards, so this is the plan layout. Today they have save around 781 rupees. And if we go to the months, this is the K electric bill, and these are the ratings. So they exported around 886.5 units. And if we go towards the billing section, that they are uh, they are buying these 889 units at the rate which they are selling 19.66 rupees per unit. So it's the amount will be 16,000, if 17,000 something. If we cut down the 17% tax, the amount is 15,000. So the total bill they have is around 22,000, and they cut down minus 15,000 by exporting the electricity. So the net bill will be 11,000. So this is the case.